Hello. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. The car that changed an industry, Toyota marks 20th anniversary of Prius with Special Anniversary Edition. Toyota is marking the special anniversary of the groundbreaking Prius, the foundational car of its global hybrid leadership, by offering the Prius 2020 edition for model year 2021. Toyota will offer 2020 of these special models, based on the well-equipped XLE forward grade. Available in a choice of supersonic red or the new wind chill pearl, the 2020 edition features striking black exterior trim and unique features, including a color-keyed rear spoiler. The 2020 edition model includes black inserts for the 17-inch alloy wheels, blackout headlight components and trim, B-pillars and mirror housings. Unique to the Prius 2020 edition are at 2020 insignia key glove, fob and floor mats, as well as black shift knob and interior pillar trim and smoked HVAC vents. The overall look is both sporty and elegant, with just a touch of mischief. But there's nothing mischievous about a car rated at a manufacturer preliminary estimated 54 city mpg, 50 highway mpg, 52 combined mpg and equipped as standard with one of the auto industry's most advanced driver assist safety systems. The Prius, which already had Toyota Safety Sense standard, steps up to the more capable TSS 2.0 for 2021. This latest version of the advanced safety system includes pre-collision system with low-light pedestrian detection, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, bicyclist detection, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, road sign assist. Its 2020 livery gives the 2021 Prius an added edge of distinction on the road. The unmistakable Prius silhouette is still the car's signature design feature, made to cheat the wind with an ultra-low 0.24 coefficient of drag. An automatic grille shutter reduces aerodynamic drag by closing when airflow to the radiator is not needed. Standard bi-LED headlamps and LED rear combination lamps not only provide better light than halogens, but they also reduce energy consumption and give a longer service life. A full-width glass panel beneath the rear spoiler aids rearward visibility while also serving as a distinctive Prius design feature. The foundation of Prius efficiency is the Toyota Hybrid System 2. It operates much in the same fashion as the original hybrid system in the 2001 Prius, but is more compact, more powerful, and more fuel efficient. In the Prius, the system combines the output of a high-efficiency 1.8-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine with that of two motor generators through an electronically controlled planetary-type continuously variable transmission. The super low-drag Prius shape is also highly practical. Thanks to its generous cabin room, the Prius is rated as a midsize car by the EPA. The front-wheel drive models, including the 2020 edition, offer 50.7 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seatbacks folded down, which is more than in some small SUVs. Based on the Toyota new global architecture, the fourth-generation Prius is the most efficient and quietest in its history. The fourth-gen Prius introduced the top-of-line Prius Prime Plug-in Hybrid, the Prius XLE, and the Prius AWDE model with all-wheel drive. The Prius marked its 10th anniversary in the US with an all-new third-generation model, gaining more power and higher fuel efficiency. Its 50 combined mpg was a new milestone. This generation also brought new models, including the first Prius Plug-in Hybrid, a new compact Prius C for under $20,000 and a new, larger Prius V with crossover-like room and versatility. Prius models began offering pre-collision braking and other advanced safety tech. A new brake-by-wire system improved regeneration and brake feel. A new air conditioning system used an electric compressor, which allowed it to operate without the gas engine running. Even with its gain in power and larger body for the second-generation model, its combined fuel economy jumped by 12% to 46 mpg. The Prius XLE grade on which the 2020 edition model is based comes standard with 17-in. Alloy wheels, Safety Connect, heated, SofTex-trimmed 8-way power driver's seat, SofTex-trimmed heated tilt, telescopic steering wheel, 3-door smart key system with push-button start, remote illuminated entry, rear wiper, and Qi wireless phone charging tray that accommodates larger phones. The standard Toyota audio system includes a 7-in touch-screen display, AM, FM CD player, 6 speakers, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Amazon Alexa compatibility, auxiliary audio jack, 1 USB 2.0 port with iPod connectivity and 2 2.1 amp USB charge ports, advanced voice recognition, Bluetooth hands-free phone capability, phone book access and music streaming, Siri Eyes-free, and an integrated backup camera display.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.